Hello, friends. Now, this is the time when we have to make ourselves ready against coronavirus. It's COVID 19. Now, we will see how coronavirus attack to our body and how we protect ourselves against it. Here I am presenting coronavirus RNA and protein structure. In that, three type of proteins available: spike glycoprotein, M protein, and E protein. By these three protein, it attack on our body, respiratory system, and then by using RNA, it multiply themselves and make our respiratory system in a pathetic condition. Now we see how we can protect to improve respiratory system against COVID-19. What we have to do to make our respiratory system ready against COVID-19. Now we take moringa to improve our immunity. And why moringa? What is moringa? We have a question. Now see what is moringa and why we are taking moringa to improve our respiratory system. What we have to take input to make our respiratory system better. Now see, we have to take iron, calcium, potassium, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, 18 amino acid and highly antioxidant food. This all is available in moringa. Now what is moringa? Moringa we call it as drumstick, horse dish, sahajan, mulgai. We are taking drumstick that sticks in food in daily routine. But right now we are taking leaves to protect ourselves and improve our respiratory system. These moringa leaves contain 7 times more calcium, more vitamin C than of orange, 3 times more potassium than banana, 25 times more iron than of spinach, 2 times more protein than milk, 4 times more calcium than milk, 10 times more vitamin A than carrot. It also contains vitamin D, 18 amino acid, and moringa is highly antioxidant food. So we have to take in our daily routine to improve our respiratory system. Now we'll see the effect of moringa in our respiratory system on our human body. I am giving you some analysis data here which is taken on 20%, means we have a study, we have taken a research on 20 people. We have given 3 gram per day moringa leaves powder to that 20 people on daily basis, and the ages of that people is 17 to 70 year. Here is the short analysis given on that study. This gray pillar significant after the effect of moringa after taking, the effect of lungs after taking moringa, and the white, that light pillar gives a baseline. So after giving that 3 gram moringa for 3 weeks, we got a good result in dyspnea, sneezing, chest tightness and cough. We got all reduced. So that's why we have to take in daily routine. If we take in daily routine, then we get more good result than what right now here presenting. We take second data. In this, I have presented the test result of lungs function before Moringa treatment and after Moringa treatment. There is there is 6 tests taken of 20 people before Moringa and after Moringa. It's a force, vital capacity, 4 explanatory flow in a second, force explanatory volume, maximum voluntary ventilation, peak explanatory flow rate. By this testing, we got the result that 6 to 34% increase in lungs function. It's a good result. In 3 weeks, if we are taking in a daily basis, you think about how good result we have for our lungs function to fight against COVID-19. Now, who can take moringa leaves powder to improve their immunity? Anybody can take, even child, youngster, old age people, and pregnant women also. I am giving moringa leaves powder with honey to my daughter when she was 2.5 months old. Right now also I am giving, right now she is 4-year old. Elder also can take moringa leaves powder with honey. Now pregnant woman has to take moringa leaves powder to boost their immunity and to protect mother and child both. It's a full of nutrition and very good nutrition for pregnant woman. Pregnant woman has to take 6 to 8 gram per day. If it is comfortable in powder form, they can also take powder form or they can use tablet or capsule form also. Now we finish this on pregnancy. I will present another video for separately on pregnant women. Now how can we use in our daily routine to improve our immunity? I have given 4 ways. By that we can use easily moringa leaves powder by in daily routine. First, the best way. Right now all the person are using, take a 1 tablespoon, that is 3 gram, in warm water, buttermilk or with juice. We have to avoid moringa leaves powder to mix it with milk. The second way, we can add it with our spices, like we are using daily turmeric, chili powder, cumin seed, like that. We can add moringa also. We can add it in curry, vegetables, salad, and take in our daily routine. And also we can give to our family. We can protect to our family also by no extra force. The other way is tablet and capsule form. It is very easily available in market. So we can take tablet or capsule form. As I told before, we can eat moringa leaves powder with honey like this. We add, mix it with honey and take it. We can give it to child. Elders can also take like this. Now we come to the doses. What doses we have to take? Here I have given one example. Now take an example that a person has 60 kg weight. Now do 10%. The answer is 6. So a person has to take 6 gram per day. The ideal doses of that person is 6 gram per day. Now I have presented a paper cutting of Gujarat newspaper. Now Gujarat newspaper. It is Gujarati newspaper. In that they have given importance of moringa. Why moringa we have to take in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. Doctor recommended corona warriors to take moringa leaves powder like police, doctor, nurse and sanitation worker. They has to take moringa leaves powder. We have already supplied 2.5 metric ton moringa leaves powder to Ahmedabad Asarwa Civil Hospital. So you understand that doctors are also recommending moringa leaves powder in this pandemic situation. So we has to take in our daily routine to protect ourselves and to protect our family also. Here I am presenting Dominate Industry products made by Moringa. It's a Moringa leaves powder, tablet and capsule. It is available in market. You can visit website www.moringaleavespowder.com for more information regarding products and regarding Moringa also. Thank you friends. Now we finish this video here. Bye bye.